Meaning of hosepipe.
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 Hosepipe. The term hosepipe refers to a flexible tube that is used to transport water or other fluids from one place to another. This type of tubing is typically made from rubber, plastic, or a combination of both materials and comes in a variety of lengths and widths. Hosepipes are commonly used in gardening, car washing, and industrial settings to provide a convenient means of transferring liquids over a distance. In addition to their practical applications, hosepipes are also often used as a tool for play by children, who enjoy using them to squirt water on hot summer days.